Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of this portable, rechargeable LED light that is motion sensor activated. Perfect for using around your house, maybe lighting up dark areas. It's also portable, so you can take it outside, you can take it with you on the road, and I'm going to check this out right now. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. On this channel we do different tech, toy, and gadget reviews, so please consider subscribing. Let's jump into the review. So let's open this up and see what we get in the box. Starting off, looks like you get some hooks. So this light also comes with some hooks, which are neat. You also have a charging cable. We have the light itself. We have some adhesive and some instructions. Let's see if there's anything else in there. Nope. So I wanted to show you what comes inside the plastic bag that comes with the light. We've got some mounting screws as well as some wall anchors. And then it also comes with 4 hooks. So I've got the light detached from the base, and you can actually take these hooks and slide them into the different slots that are already inside the base for the light, and that holds these hooks in place. And once you've got those inserted, then those kind of act as different hanging hooks, so you can place different things on them. So to power the light, instead of using the AA or AAA batteries, you use the 1-foot charging cable that comes with it. It goes into a USB port. So the USB on the cable here can plug into a port from maybe a laptop computer, or maybe you've got a plug with a USB cable. And then on one end of our light is where you're going to plug in the USB charging cable. On the information for the light, it does say that it takes 2 hours to fully charge it. So in looking at the light itself, there's a couple of neat features about it. So first off, right on the front, it looks like that's where the motion sensor is. It does have a compartment on the back where it looks like you could open it up, but it does have a sticker on it saying do not open. On the other side here where the charger cable would go, there's also a piece that you can pull out, and it's got an area with a mounting screw hole, so you could hang this light from something if you wanted to hang it. And going to the other end of the light, that's where you've got your switch, and it's got 3 different areas here. It's got an auto, it's got an off, and it's got an on. If I were to set it to on, here's an example of what the light looks like all lit up. And then once I would say mount the bracket that comes with it, you have to look at the grooves that are in the side of the light, but those grooves match up with the holders on the clamp, and I can clamp it into place wherever I'd like to display the light. In waving my hand, I was able to cause the motion sensor to activate the light. It can detect motion up to 10 feet away. The light will stay on for 20 seconds and then automatically turn back off. I used the sticky adhesive that came with the light to brighten up some of the dark areas of my house and put it to the test. Oh, it's so dark in here. I wish I could see where I was going. Overall, I found a lot of great uses for this light. I like that it can be used with the hooks and the mounting base, but also easily removed if you need to use it in a different spot. If you want to check out the light for yourself, I will leave a link to all the information down in the description below. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment down below, maybe where you might plan on using one of these lights in your house. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the little notification bell next to it, and you'll get notified every time we release new videos. Hey, my name is Jeff. This is Tinker Forward. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon.